In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write equations in Notion quickly and easily, specifically focusing on how to insert inline equations in the 2025 guide. First, let's head over to Notion and get started by creating a new page. There's something so satisfying about starting fresh on a blank canvas where you can customize everything to your liking. If you're new to Notion, don't worry, creating a new page is straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll typically see your workspace on the left-hand side. From there, click the plus new page button to create a fresh page. You can name it anything you like, maybe something relevant to the equations you'll be working with today, or just experimenting. After you've created your new page, it's time to dive into the real magic of inserting equations. In Notion, there's a nifty command feature that makes it super efficient to access various block types. To call up the equation feature, simply type the slash command followed by equation. So on your keyboard, just hit the / and then type equation right after it. You'll see a few options pop up, but what you're looking for is the ability to add an inline equation. It's fantastic because this feature enables you to seamlessly integrate mathematical expressions directly amidst your text, maintaining a clean and polished presentation without breaking your flow. Once you've selected inline equation from the list, a LaTeX editor box will appear. LaTeX is a typesetting system that's widely used for technical and scientific documents, known for its powerful capabilities in handling complex mathematical formulas. Don't be intimidated by it though. For simple equations, it's quite user-friendly. Type out your desired equation within the editor. If you're familiar with basic LaTeX commands, you can use them here. Or if you're just getting started, keep it simple with basic arithmetic or algebra expressions. Notion will render these beautifully once you hit enter. As you go through typing in your equations, remember that practice is key. The more you familiarize yourself with LaTeX syntax, the more proficient you'll become at writing and presenting equations in Notion. It's truly an invaluable skill, especially if you're in academia, engineering, or any field requiring precise mathematical documentation. That's it. You've now mastered the basics of writing equations in Notion, specifically using inline equations. It opens a world of possibilities for presenting data and information elegantly within your Notion pages. Adjust this skill as necessary for your complex documents. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.